A Cambodian scholar has said China's dynamic zero-COVID approach is crucial to protect people's lives and to minimize the pandemic's impact on socio-economic development.
Since the outbreak of COVID-19, China have always put the people and their life first and work hard to prevent both inbound cases and domestic resurgence. China have always upheld the dynamic zero COVID-19 policy, but quite a number of the Western countries was not agree. But the Chinese policy, strict zero COVID-19, has kept the Chinese economy keep going and kept the adjusting epidemic prevention control measure in the light of the new development. Through such an effort, China have achieved major strategic progress. I think that as a populous country with a huge number of the senior citizens, unbalanced development between the different regions, insufficient medical resources, China will definitely see a wide range of infection if the China eases up on the pandemic prevention and control. So China's zero COVID-19 policy is the best choice and the right decision for the country in order to prevent a huge amount of severe cases and death, which could severely threaten the social and economic development as well as people's health and the safety and the security of the country.